Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we will see what happened in the market today and what is expected tomorrow. So we'll start looking at this Nifty trade, Nifty chart first. So we are expecting kind of both the sides market can be violent today. It was very violent like till the budget was there, so it was like opened and gave a big candle, and it went in, hit a stop loss over, entered in the side. So it was like full volatile, full session in the morning, and then became a sideways market. So basically it was a non-even market, which like we were expecting 200 points of movement from the current position, but market remained sideways and then closed. It became a seller market basically. So it did not. It became budget session became a non-event. So we did not see, and then VIX also crashed so that all the buyers also holding it, just holding it, started losing the profit. So started losing the investment correctly. So for me, no trade today because market was so violent. It was not showing any direction. So it was a clear no entry for me, no trade today. So let's look at what we can expect tomorrow. So the first market still is in the sideways. So the like now it is in the sideways, and then the same range it is maintained. So we have to wait for the sideways to break. If it breaks this one or 21833, if it market gap up and breaks above, we can go for long and 100 points immediately we'll get it. If gap up and then comes inside this one, get rejection and comes inside this, then go for short. So the first target would be this 21,656, and second target is 21,540. So these are the two targets we have it. If market gap up and comes inside, could not break and then come inside this 21809, if it comes under this sideways range, so it will touch the 21 21 660 first target, and then 547 is the second target, or 545 is the second target. So we have these two targets tomorrow. If this rejection get rejected at the top, and by but if market comes directly flat opening a gap down, comes below this one, so we can go for this at the first target. 21,540 is the first target, and second target is 21,446 is the second target. So these are two targets that we have it for tomorrow. If there is a gap down or flat coming down, right? These are the. It looks to be very simple market tomorrow because it was a pure sideways today. Definitely, we can expect a trending market if this could not break this one. Definitely, market. So only buy scenario is above this point. 21,830 is above only buy scenario. Otherwise, we are looking for only sell scenarios tomorrow, short scenarios. So that is what I have captured in my slide also. So no even no trade today. So because it is non-event. So gap up about 21,833 long, target 100 points. Rejection below 21,833 comes inside short, target 100 points. 21,660 is the first target, and we can also hold it for the second target as I said. Gap down short below 21,658. Target 21,540. Second target 21,448. These are two targets we have it for gap down scenarios. So let's look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also like the same. So it was like kind of violent moves on both the sides, and then did not give any trades, proper trades. Like it was kind of a slightly slowly it is moving up, but not a good target that we are getting it. So yeah. So coming to the what can be expected tomorrow, if you look at it to 15 minutes, I think we could get better idea. So if market closes above 46 485, we can expect market going up. If you see the rejection, go for short. Market will be coming down. So these are the two scenarios. If there is gap down below this 45 650, can go short directly 250 points. If it market only after breaking it, we can see a buy scenario. Otherwise, we are looking for short scenario one, and gap down below this one, second short scenario. So we have two scenarios, short and one scenario only above this one, right? So this is about the Bank Nifty, and Reliance looks to be very simple again. Below this today's low, go for short, and we have a target of 2160 is the target. If it breaks 2837, if it breaks, We have 2782. If it breaks this 2885, we can go for 20 points above market, going for 20 points again. So two scenarios, very simple. So 2887 and 2838 are between these is no trading zone. So below this one short, 20 points, above this one long, we have 20 points. So these are the two trades we have it. So it is pretty much simple. We can go for the trades like that. So if you like this analysis, you can like this, like the video, and then if you're not subscribed yet, you can subscribe this channel, and also encourage your friends to join this channel. So this is what we have for today. Thanks for watching this video.